If you want to make square inset corners in Blender, this quick tutorial will show you the cleanest way to do it. This is super useful when you want sharp, even corners for panels, frames, cutouts, or hard surface models without ending up with stretched or rounded results. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast Blender tutorials. First, go into Edit mode and select the face you want to work on. Press I to activate the Inset tool, then move your mouse to set the initial thickness. At this point, take a look at the top header or the bottom left tool settings box because that is where the important options appear. If needed, press O to toggle Outset. This can help preserve the outer perimeter shape while you create the inset. Next, turn on Even Thickness. This is one of the most important fixes if your inset corners look distorted or uneven. If the corners still pinch, enable Relative Offset as well. That can help the inset behave more consistently across the face. Another big thing to check is your object scale. Go back to Object mode and press Ctrl+A, then apply Scale. If your scale is not applied, Blender can create skewed or rectangular-looking corners instead of proper squares. If you need more control, use the Depth slider in the settings box to push the inset inward or outward. If you are insetting a face that sits on the edge of a mesh, press B to toggle the Boundary option so Blender handles the edge correctly. And if your inset starts looking rounded after adding a Subdivision surface modifier, press Ctrl+R and add support loops to tighten those corners back up. So the key steps are simple. Use Inset, enable Even Thickness, apply your scale, and adjust the settings until the corners stay square. Once you know these controls, making clean square inset corners in Blender becomes much easier and much more predictable. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what Blender tutorial you want next.